Let's take a look at the scenario mapping feature. One thing we found was that when you have a lot of scenarios, sometimes you can get in the hundreds, it can get a little messy to know exactly what you mapped. So as you see here, we have a lot of different given conditions here, and sometimes you want to be able to, first of all, understand what test steps you map to which tests, and without having to kind of click into going back and forth trying to understand, we instead decided to allow you to view the full map and update tests in bulk. So let me illustrate that. What you want to do is you want to go to the root of the project, and then you want to hit this kebab menu here, and then here you have this review the test mapping of scenario. So what you do here is that you see all the terms that you've mapped, and remember, one unique string should map to one test case. But what's good here with this new way is that now you can go in and see I accept the order is mapped to accept current order. But now, of course, I can update this like this. Let's say I accept the order test, and now I have changed all the words to be I accept the order test to map these. So if I close this now and search I accept the order, you see they've all been updated in bulk. Another thing that is useful, I'm gonna of course change this back. So first of all, I accept the order, I changed this. You can also of course take the word and see what is it mapped to. And you can of course also change what it's mapped to. We also added checkboxes here, and what that allows you to do is to, for instance, if you want to break something off, you can unclick a few of them and then just update the ones you need to update, so like that. So if I do that, you see there's two different ones now. So you have I accept the order, I accept the order test. So what's useful about that would be, for instance, if you're doing a transition to doing like, maybe you want to do some of this over the API, you can now break this out and do it on a per test basis. So let's change this back. But all in all, I'll do yes. And you see now we have everything under I accept the order. So I changed it back. So the purpose here, again, is when you have a lot of different strings mapped to different tests, you can more get a feeling for what is mapped where, and you'll be able to update it more easily.